Here we have an iPhone 7 and an Apple Watch 4. Today we're going to pair the watch with the iPhone. So for any Apple Watch, you have to pair with an iPhone. If you don't, you won't be able to use the watch. So when you buy a watch from new, or if you reset the watch, and then you need to pair with an iPhone before you can use it. So if, say now, it's just this watch has been reset and it is currently off. So if we turn it on, so we can see what you can have. So we can turn the watch on by pressing this power button. So you see the logo. It will take a little while. So it is still starting up. Now it's appeared. So get your Apple Watch closer to your iPhone in order to pair the watch with the iPhone. You can't do anything now. So that if you click, if you turn the wheel, if you click here, there's nothing you can do. And if you press this I, give you some language selection, and you can press the back. So this is what you have if you don't pair. So you have to pair your Apple Watch to an iPhone. I have asked the previous owner to remove this watch from his Apple iCloud account. Now we should be able to pair this watch to this iPhone 7. So let's start now. So we are at the app, so we can see start pairing. Start setting for myself. So now we need the camera to take so it's okay now. Scan the graphics on the phone. We say skip update. Now we can press set up Apple Watch. Which wrist do you wear your Apple Watch? We say left. So and now connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Now we have this terms and condition. We just press agree. Now it needs Apple ID. So this time it's asking for my own ID and passwords. Now I can enter password. And also you can see this step is optional. You can enter your password and you can skip this step. So now I have entered my password. So now we can know the previous owner had removed this watch from his iCloud account, so that I can set it up using my Apple account. Sign in. So verifying Apple ID, this may take a few minutes. Now I think it's finished verifying. Messages. Sign in to messages on your iPhone to receive messages on your Apple Watch, even when your Apple Watch is away from your iPhone. You can skip this step, but maybe we try we sign in. So we can say continue. And we need to enter the password again to sign into the messages. So we can enter the password. Now we enter the password. We can see sign in. Find my watch. This is a enable find my watch. Don't enable find my watch. We say don't enable. And here, workout route tracking. Apple Watch workout. Use your location to track route and the local weather for outdoor workout. Enable. So we can enable track, doesn't matter. And this is a Siri thing. I think we can say we don't use. And watch analytics. Share with Apple or don't share. We say don't share. Share settings. And this message is just for information. The only OK selection. So we just click OK. And now bold text aside, select your preferred reading experience. Set up later in the Apple Watch app. So we can just set up later. Apple Watch passcode. When you set a passcode, Apple Watch locks when you take it off and it requires passcode to unlock. This helps you protect the data. Create a passcode, add a long passcode, don't add passcode. So at the moment, maybe we don't add passcode. Activity app on Apple Watch help you sit less, move more, and get some exercise. If you like, you can set it up now, or you can set up later. We skip. Keep your Apple Watch up to date. Get latest feature security improvements by updating WatchOS automatically. You will receive notification before updates are installed and can choose other options in Apple Watch app on your iPhone. We say install update manually. Heart rate notification. Receive notification if your watch detects a heart rate that rises above 120 where you are inactive for 10 minutes. Low heart rate notification. That's okay. Next. Emergency SOS. You can press and hold the side button to call emergency services. That will also send a message to your emergency contact. Continue. We can say continue because there's no choice, something. Yeah, we just continue. Install available apps. Some apps on your iPhone work with your Apple Watch. You can install all these apps now or choose the apps you want later in the Apple Watch app. If you install now, some of your iPhone and Apple Watch apps will be updated for compatibility. Install all or choose later. We install all. Let's try this. Apple Watch is psyching. Your Apple Watch is almost ready. You will get alert when it's finished, so you can use your iPhone as you normally would. So now on the Apple Watch, so we have Apple Watch Basics display. I think it's maybe installing or synchronizing something. We can wait. And the time now is 28 past 3. So we can just wait. I have a message say your Apple ID and phone number are being used for iMessage on a new Apple Watch. Yeah, that would be okay. Still synchronizing. The time now is 30 past 3. So you can also see the progress from this ring. The time now is 31 past 3. So you can see there are more progress. So the circle nearly finished now. 32 past 3, the time. So now this is finished. Your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. And this side is saying welcome to your Apple Watch. So my watch, adjust the settings, organize apps, and customize your watch faces. Face gallery, browse watches faces and add them to your collection. Apple Watch apps, get apps from the Apple Store on your Apple Watch or on your iPhone. So this is good. So we press OK here. Now we get back to the Watch app on the iPhone. I think now we can try to find out the WatchOS version. Could it be in this general? About. Capacity, availability. Oh, version is 7.2. So it is a new version for the Apple Watch. That's why I didn't pair with my iPhone 6. So the watch operating system has been updated to 7.2 WatchOS. The storage capacity is 9.4 gigabytes and available 8.4 gigabytes. So the watch should have 16 gigabytes. So that's about. If we go into software update, checking update. So there is the 7.3 we could install. But maybe we will not do it now, and we can do this later. So now we can have a look on the watch. We just press the crown or something. It's ready. Press the digital crown to start. Display or anything. Okay, it's started. So we have got this face. Update complete. And also some information about your Apple ID. Can enable some services when you send in like a backup data in case you need to replace or restore the data, I think to the iCloud. So we just click OK. So now it is the clock face. If we, this is a control center. We press this to the home and press this to the app. Say we can have different apps over here. What that one? That is a heart rate. We get home. Okay, this is another way to see the menu. The menu, we can select any menu. We can just move, make the things bigger. Then you select like a calculator. And if you press this crown, you can go back. If you turn it, I think if you want to go back, you can just press this middle, the clock face. You're going back to the clock face. So you click the side button, you get the menu that way. If you click it again, you're coming back to the face. And if you click this crown, you get this interface. If you click again, you get back. So I think that's just about it. So we just set up everything, and the watch now working after you pair it, after you set it up with your iPhone. And from now, you can use your watch. Thank you for watching.